Good morning, guys. Time check, it's 5 in the morning, and I'm off to Houston, Texas today. And don't worry about my fringe, it's like that, but because I just styled it now, so it looks weird now, but later on it will be just, okay. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, I'll be off to Houston today, and we'll talk about more once I reach Houston. So see ya! Hello guys, so yeah, finally after 16 hours flight and 20 hours duty, I'm finally here in Houston, Texas. So yeah, I'm just so tired. I just want to freshen up and go to bed. And join me because I'll be here for 4 days, and yeah, maybe I'll show you the room tomorrow, and see ya!
Day 2.
Good morning, guys! So it's day 2. It's my day 2 here in Houston, and I just woke up. I only had 4 hours of sleep, so officially I'm jet lagged. And I'm really hungry, like I'm super duper hungry. That's why I prepared my curry and noodles right here and my apple pie, as you can see. And I'm just gonna eat, and oh my god, my lips are so dry, you guys. Anyways, I'll update you guys later. It's gonna be a long day, and I will try to sleep again after I finish eating. So yeah, ciao.
3 hours later.
Hello guys, good morning. So it's already 9:30 in the morning. I'm already dressed up because we're going to NASA today. And yeah, I badly need my coffee, and I'll tour you guys around as well. So day 2 of my Houston layover. Bye, ciao. Yes, so this is my look for today. Just shorts, this cute top, and my Fila Destructor shoes. So yes, let's go for today.
Eventually.
So we're already at NASA. So this is the outside. Wow. Guys, so we're outside NASA already, and I'm with my mafia. Hi! Yeah, girl! So we're outside, we're just waiting for our schedule, and yeah, see ya!
Few inches later.
So guys, we're already inside, and look at that! Oh my gosh! Amazing. And yeah, we're inside, but we're not allowed to remove our mask for the safety of everyone. So I'll just explore everything that they can offer here, and yeah, I'll update you guys later.
And basically, whenever you walk around today, you're going to see signs that have these 4 images on them. And so it's kind of like a scavenger hunt. So say if you wanted to be a scientist, you go around and find all the exhibits that relate to science.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yeah. Just one.
Yeah, of course you can take. Oh, sure. If you want to take two, it doesn't matter.
Take all.
Oh, okay.
Also, in the interest of everyone's safety, please make sure you are keeping to your own phone or when other people are
They're
present.
presenting the real
So, if some of you have
astronaut.
next to the camera,
Just
please
waiting for
make
it.
sure you move the chairs back to
I'm so
those waiting
excited.
taped on. So
So we're just waiting for the real astronaut to come out. Girl, how's the experience so far?
It's amazing.
Amazing, right? Yeah, see you guys later.
A few moments later.
Thank you. You guys all hear me okay? Okay, good. Really excited to be here today. I'm glad to see so many of you out there. It's really, really awesome. A little different, everybody wearing masks, huh? What a strange world we're living in now. But I'm glad that you're all here. So I'm going to start off with, because there's a bunch of kids. If you were born after November of the year 2000, raise your hand. Okay, a whole bunch of you that were born after November of the year 2000, which means that every day of your life, there has been somebody living in space. Did you know that?
I love that sound, and so do those people back there, apparently. Now, some people are scared when they hear loud explosions, but I know that whenever I hear a bang, a pop, something loud going off, that energy is being released. That was my sound. Now that, y'all have a wonderful day here at Space Center Houston, and I hope your time here is out of this world.
Tram ride! Hi, girl!
Alright, everyone. We are now approaching Rocket Park. We will be exiting to the right-hand side. And we will dismiss you row by row. And we will dismiss you row by row. Please maintain a safe distance from other people. 6 feet
Hey guys, so I'm at the store already and I'm looking for some souvenirs. So yeah, so fun. Like everything is so cute. And yeah, see you guys around. Hey guys, so I just got home. We went to the outlet mall. I shopped. I bought some shoes and some clothes. And yeah, we ate something. We ate pork ribs. Oh my god, that was so good from Logan's. And yeah, I'm just so tired. As you can see, my eyes are like so tired right now and I need to sleep. So yeah, see you tomorrow, my day 3 here in Houston. So bye.
Tomorrow.
good morning. So it's already day 3 and we're going to Graffiti Park. So join us!
Few inches later.
Hello guys, so I landed back here in Doha. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to update you on my 4th day because I was so tired. I slept the whole day. And yeah, after we went to graffiti building, I slept a lot until wake up call. And yeah, so I'm back here now in Doha and I have a lot of things to do. What's this? I'm eating Cheetos right now. Anyways, I'm still so tired. Like, I'm having jet lags as well, but then yeah, that's life. Hashtag crew life. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed every single part of it, and see you on my next layover. Bye!